What consistent answer structures appear in high-scoring exam papers? Imagine trying to build a puzzle without knowing what the picture looks like. High-scoring exam answers are like puzzle pieces fitting perfectly together. They follow clear, repeatable patterns that help you communicate your knowledge well. When you analyze past papers, you see these structures popping up again and again. It's not just about what you write, but how you organize it that makes the difference. For simple questions like definitions, top answers start by stating the term clearly and then explaining what it means. This makes it easy for the examiner to see you understand the basic idea. When questions ask for explanations, high-scoring responses usually break down ideas into steps or points. They might use numbered lists or bullet points to keep things clear and easy to follow. If diagrams are needed, they are drawn neatly, labeled properly, and referenced in the answer. This shows you can connect visuals with your explanation. Different subjects have their own answer styles. In math and science, showing your working process is key. High marks go to answers that include all steps, calculations, and reasoning, not just the final number. In language or history, well-structured paragraphs with clear topic sentences help the examiner see your main points. Using headings or subheadings can also organize longer answers. When tackling multiple-choice questions, the best approach is to read carefully, eliminate obviously wrong options, and pick the best remaining answer. Often your first instinct is correct, so avoid overthinking. For true or false questions, if the statement is false, briefly explain why to show understanding. Matching questions requiring careful reading of both columns and crossing out options once used prevents mistakes. For short answer and essay questions, start with a direct response to the question. If allowed, use headings or numbered points to organize your ideas. When explaining or discussing, break your answer into parts. Define, explain, give examples, and apply. Highlight key terms and use correct technical language. If a diagram is asked for, draw it clearly, label all parts, and refer to it in your explanation. Practicing with past papers helps you notice these answer structures. Mimic the way high-scoring answers are formatted. Time yourself to get used to writing quickly and clearly under exam conditions. Review marking schemes to understand what examiners look for in each question. For essays, plan your answer briefly before writing to keep your ideas organized. Avoid long and structured paragraphs that confuse the reader. Always write enough detail for the marks available, more for higher marks. Make sure diagrams are labeled and explanations are specific. Always answer what the question asks, not what you wish it was. Remember, starting with a clear, direct answer is always best. Use lists, headings, or numbered points for complex ideas. Show all your steps and calculations and label diagrams carefully. Match the depth of your answer to the marks it's worth. Use technical terms correctly and explain them if needed. Practicing these structures from past papers makes your answers clearer, helps you stay calm during exams, and boosts your chances of scoring well. Turning good answer structures into a habit is just as important as knowing the content itself.